Hi guys, this is Karen. I am doing a test with this microphone with this camera. It seems like every time I place out a video, I sound like Cindy Brady from the Brady Bunch with the lisp. I don't know if the microphone is that sensitive or I am not pronunciating the words like I should. And as you can tell, I do get tongue-tied trying to talk before I think. So I'm going slower on purpose. I'm trying to speak softer. I have my arm completely extended, and I am trying my best to pronunciate my words. I have no clue why this is doing this other than the camera. And it's just a little Kodak Easy Share point and shoot from, good grief, 8 years ago. But in Tech Talk, we're supposed to work with what we got, and that's what I'm doing. So now, I'm going to change it up. This is how I normally hold the camera, and this is where I normally talk. My elbow is more closer to my side. My face is probably about a good 8, maybe 10, but probably 8 or 9 inches away from the camera. I am trying to talk soft to see if I pronunciate, if the sensitivity is any better or any worse. So let me end here and give it a try. Sensitivity, 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 sensitivity. Oh, now I'm sounding stupid. Okay, bye.